Alright, it is time to murder out this Spyderco Endura 4. It's been long enough. I have used this thing for years and I've beaten on it literally with a hammer, as you can see. And I think it's time to pimp her out, right? So let the fun begin. Alright, let's do this. Let me file these off to the side. Getting caught up over here. What's going on? Come on. It's starting to come out. There we go. Knock off these pins going that way. And we should be good, right? Scale there. Here's your mechanism, your spring, backspacer, your lock, your blade, your washer, pivot screw, your other washer. File those off to the side there. Now the scale and liner. Here we have it, completely apart. Alright, first things first, nail polish. On this side I already marked where this blade travels onto those scales, and I want to protect all of this here, right down here, because I don't want this being eaten by the acid. Not so much there, leave that, and right against here. I'll just come right about here. And there is nail polish falling into that hole. Other side, no need. This would be against the scale, like so. So again, shout out to the nail polish. I've had this one since 2012. Yeah. Alright, it's dry. Acid time. Don't even ask me what's in here. Put it this way. There is acid here from 2013 all the way to 2020, and there is 3 different mixes. So shout out to that. And it's not that. If you were to smell this right now, it's not pretty. I'll set that off right here. Hopefully I don't hit it because of the stupid camera. Here's what I like to do. I use these little zip ties. Nice and clean. And all you're going to do is put it in. And I'm going to leave it in there for about, I don't know, as long as I feel like it. Put it that way. I'm going to check on it periodically. Here's how these are looking. It's a shame the screws are not becoming a little darker. It's just a light gray. But the pivot barrels, they're pretty decent. Might have to do a little something to them and get them a little darker. As far as the blade goes, it's actually looking pretty decent. The key to having a proper finish on a blade is to dunk it into painted green water. Just like that. Look at that. They're pretty good. And you walk over this way and we're going to dunk it right in there. She's going to be in a tumbler for probably half hour. I'm going to take these washers, put it on my strap, do a few passes like so. Good as new. Just took her out, all dusty. I gotta clean them off. All right. Alright, so now for the fun, right? I usually like to do this, that way I don't have to keep dipping. I know it's a lot, but you'll see why. Alright, let's do this. First things first, let me see, I think I'm going to go with the right side, which is the left side actually. Okay. Oh, did I mess this up? No, okay, good. Okay. That's that. I need to pivot like so. Washer, blade, actually before I even do the blade, let's put the lock here as well. Okay. Pain in the ass. Can't see too good. Yeah. Always a mission when you're filming. There we go. There you go. Come on. Okay, last one here. Alright. Set that off. It's going to go right about here. Like so. Now, I got to put that spring in, right? So, that goes like that. And this goes here underneath. Oops. It's always the hardest part, is putting the spring back in. And putting the blade as well. So what I'd like to do actually, just lift this up a little bit, like that, put it back down, and squeeze down on it like that. Now I'm there. Now I can just squeeze like so. Now I can put the blade in. Actually, let me make sure I'm clean over here. Yeah. Give me a second. I don't like how that's looking. Oops. There goes that. Alright, that spring, put it in. Stop putting this in, and Then, just give me a second, there we go, like that. Start pushing this down, like so. Hold it down so it won't pop in your DMI. Put the blade in. Okay, let go gently. Okay. Frame. Work it all the way down, like so. Beautiful. And then scale. Okay. Just gonna close it so I can release that tension on that spring. And now start putting these screws back in. I like putting one back here first. And I'm not going to tighten it all the way, just enough to get it going. Then where the lock is,